that? What do you hear? Do you hear birds? Yes, you hear birds. Because guess what? Beatrix and I have just been out looking for birds. I wonder if you have a pair of binoculars like this. You can look up on the trees and find birds. And today is the first day of spring, so I think they're out busy making nests. Maybe some already have eggs in them. I don't know. How about we all go out and look for them after the story? Hold on. Beatrix says, wait a minute. Beatrix says, hurry up and get on your magic carpets. Crisscross bird sauce, right, Beatrix? Does that sound good? Yes. He says, go. Crisscross bird sauce. Okay. Oh, we're missing Berto. Berto! Hello? Oh, yes, my pigeon. Is that what you're saying? I know. Do you like my birds? Aren't they awesome? You know I love pigeon. What? What? No. What are you talking about? A bird on my head? No, there's not a bird on my head. I don't know what you're talking about. Berto! Berto, where are you? Hello! Berto, there's a bird on your head. No, there's a bird on your head, Miss Library. What is going on? Hello. I am Berto, the bookworm. I still love to read. Do you like to read? I hope so. I love to read. I still love to sing. Beautiful. I still love to kiss. Did you get my magical kiss? Good. Miss Library. Yes. Get them ready for the story. Okay. Put your bird eyeballs in. And did you know that birds have ears? I wonder why you can't see them. They're covered up with feathers. Right, put them on, because you need them. And then put your bird beak on. What does a bird say? Tweet, 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 tweet. Maybe you've got bird wings. Tweet, 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 tweet. Yes, tweet, tweet, tweet. How about we zip that up? Zip. Seatbelts on. Click. Hey, Berto, guess where we're going today? Where, Miss Library? We are going to Gerald and Piggy's house. Oh, I love Gerald and Piggy. Me too. And, well, you know, I like pigeon too. Oh, this is so fun. Okay. Miss Library, yes. I count us down, okay? Okay. Count us down. Is everyone? Are you all seatbelts on? Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Hold on, everybody! Whoa. Ah! I'm okay. Are you okay? Oh, Miss Library. Gerald. Hello, Gerald and Piggy. Oh, shh. It looks like they're sleeping. Hey, Miss Library. Yes. Please read the story. Okay. Polite bossy pants. Okay, before we read the story, I want to show you our vocabulary word. Remember, that's a word we might not know. The word is hatch. Do you guys know what hatch means? Let's listen for the word in the story. It means when there's a bird in an egg and it's coming out of the egg. It's hatching out of the egg. To hatch. Do you hatch? No, you're not a bird. But something that comes out of an egg hatches. Usually a bird. Could be a snake. Could be some other things that are in eggs too. Whatever comes out of an egg hatches. So let's listen for our word. Okay, we are reading, there is a bird on your head. Okay, by Willems. You guys. Oh, they were sleeping. Look, I guess they're having a little nap. Oh, little bird. Piggy! Ah! Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head. Is there a bird on my head now? No. there are 2 birds on your head. Oh. What are 2 birds doing on my head? Oh. Oh, they're in love. Oh. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Oh. Lovebirds. Oh, how do you know that they're lovebirds? They are making a nest. 2 birds are making a nest on my head? Why would 2 birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? How many eggs do you see? 1, 2, 3. Oh, you have 3 eggs on your head. Oh. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Oh, and I have good news. The eggs are gone? The eggs are hatching. See the little cracks in the eggs? Oh. Hatching! The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, 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 cheep. Ow. Oh, they have hatched. Oh, I love babies. Oh. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds in a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Well, where do you want them? Somewhere else! Ah! Oh. Hey guys, how do I know that's supposed to be louder? Look how big the writing is. See that? It was not as big here, was it? See that? Yeah. I don't think he's happy. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I'll try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. I wonder where they're gonna go. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. They want a Piggy's head. If you were Piggy, what would you do if there was a nest on your head? What would you do? Would you ask them to go somewhere else? Maybe say, hey, could you move to a tree? It might be safer there. Maybe? I don't know. It's up to you. I wonder if you can look for some birds building a nest. Don't touch it though, right? We're never going to touch a nest unless it's fallen to the ground and there's nothing in it. But don't touch. We can just watch. And maybe they're building it, and maybe you'll be able to see the eggs, or maybe you'll just hear the baby chicks being born. They can be loud. That's pretty fun to do. So get your binoculars out. If you don't have binoculars, just do this. Be like, I'm looking for nests. You could be a scientist looking for nests. But before we go, I want to show you a couple of nests that I found last year. I found them on the ground. I did not take them from a tree because I don't want to take a nest that doesn't belong to me, right? So look at this tiny little nest I found. Ooh, ooh. Look at this tiny little nest. It's so little. How big do you think a bird would be to fit in that nest? Tiny. And the eggs would be just probably the size of my nail, just pink in there. I have a bigger nest here too. Look at this one. It might be a robin's nest. Look at this one. Yes, much bigger. It would not be a huge bird like a hawk or an eagle, but it would be maybe a medium-sized bird like a robin. I wonder if you know what a robin is. Maybe you can ask your mom and go look for some robins. But this one looks like it's made out of a lot of pine straw and grass. That's pretty cool. So maybe you'll be able to find your own nest outside. I want you to go and look. And I still don't know what you're talking about. What do you keep saying? There's a bird on my head? You guys are crazy. See you next time.